Hello, Ben Moore here from Training with BM, helping you to work smarter, not harder. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a quick QR code from any website in Google Chrome. It's one of Google Chrome's newest updates and one that I think is going to work great for educators in and out of the classroom. So let's get started. So as you can see, I'm in the Google for Education CS First website here. And what I might want to do is create a quick QR code for my students to access using their smart devices, rather than getting them to find the website by directly searching Google or typing in the URL that you see at the top of the screen here. So the way I'd create a QR code for my students, there's two ways I can do it. The first one is by clicking into the URL box at the top of the screen, and you'll see I have this box here that says create QR code for this page. So when I click onto this, then I get a unique QR code for this particular website. Now I could get students to open their cameras on their smart devices now and scan the code, but I also have the ability to download this particular QR code and use that within Google Classroom. I could show it live in a Google Meet. I could even use it in my own classroom when we are back all in the classroom together and just pop it up on the screen, just to stop students wandering off and getting lost in Google trying to get to this particular website I want them to be on. Now, the other way you could do this is by right-clicking on a website and you see the option to create QR code for this page. Brings up the same code at the top, still gives you the option to download. It's just two different ways of doing it. Now, this doesn't just apply to websites, it can apply to anything. So it could be, for example, a PDF document in Google Drive. Again, I can click in the bar, go to QR code and download that QR code and give it to anybody that I'd like. But it is worth noting within Google, the sharing settings have to be correct if you're going to share anything like this. So if I was going to do this, I'd right click on the document itself, go to share, and just click on the bottom here where it says get link. Click on get link and change this to anybody with the link can view or can edit or can comment. It's up to you how you want to assign that access. But I'm going to give it to anyone with the link can view, and then I can just go back onto that, create my QR code, and now anybody that has this particular QR code will be able to see this PDF document in my drive. So hopefully that's going to be very useful. You can see this is very versatile. You can use it across lots of different things like websites, Google Docs, PDF documents, any website in Chrome. So I really hope you're going to find it useful, just like I have. I'm going to leave a link to all my socials in the description below. But please like, subscribe to my channel and turn the notifications on so you don't miss any of my other videos. And I'll see you next time. Take care.